Here we have a 2019 BMW M140i Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the blue exterior paintwork. We have the gloss black front grills, the gloss black Maxton design front splitter. We do also have the LED headlights. Round to the passenger side you find we have the 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We do have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler, which again has the Maxton design extension. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors, and we have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have the M140i badging on the tailgate. If you take a look at the interior, so inside of the back first you find the full leather interior with the fixed ISO points. We do have the vents down there for the rear passengers. Taking a look at the front, again we have the same leather interior. There's a look at them front seats. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. Taking the seat inside you find the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side, automatic wipers, automatic lights. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control. We have the high beam assist just here on this stalk. We've got the main screen just here in the centre. Press this button and it will turn on. Just turn the volume down. As you can see, we do have the phone connectivity for making phone calls. We got the media with the radio and the Bluetooth audio. We have the sat-nav navigation just here and plenty of other features as well. Further down you find we have the heated seat buttons either side, ice-cold air conditioning with the climate control, automatic gearbox, the different drive mode buttons just down there, got the cup holders inside of here, gloss black trim throughout the centre, we've got the shortcuts for the entertainment screen, manual handbrake and a nice leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M140i Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now have to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We've got the volume buttons on the right. We also have the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We also have the digital screens in the dashboard, which display different bits of information that you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle as well, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but we also have plenty of features on that. Again, you would have seen them on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn in a moment onto the industrial park where I perform an emergency stop. So if you just start to slow down, put our right indicator on, and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors on the screen, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today. Cheers.